Hello students, welcome to Standard 10th Geometry class, Chapter 12, Areas related to Circle. Children, in previous class we have already started our exercise 12.2. In today's class, we will continue with some more examples from the same exercise. So let us begin with question number 5. In a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Then find the length of the arc. Second, area of the sector formed by the arc. And third, area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So let us draw a diagram first. So here is the diagram. See, here O is the center of the circle. OA and OB, these are the radii of the circle of length 21 centimeter. AB is the chord, and this arc APB, it subtends angle 60 degree at the center. Right. Now first of all, we have to find length of the arc. So as we have discussed, there is a direct formula for calculating the length of the arc, and the formula is here r is 21 centimeter, theta 60 degree, then length of the arc formula theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. As the value of pi is not given, we will take 22 upon 7. Substitute the value. Substitute theta 60 degree divided by 360 into 2 into pi is 22 upon 7 and radius is 21 centimeter. Simplify this. So this 0 will get cancelled. This 0 and 0 will get cancelled. Then 6 1s are 6. 6 6s are 36. Right. This 7 3s are 21. Then this 3 2s are 6. Then this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So your answer will be 22 centimeter. So here the final answer is 22 centimeter. Now the second question was area of the sector with angle 60 degree. So for area of sector, the formula is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 60 degree. 60 divided by 360, pi is 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21. Simplify this, you will get answer as 231 centimeter square. So this is area of sector. Now we have to find area of segment, which is shown by red color here in the diagram. You see segment is shown by red or pink in color. So how to find that area? As there is no direct formula for area of segment, so we will calculate area of triangle first, and from the sector we will subtract, from this sector we will subtract area of that green color triangle. So for that, let us take area of triangle AOB. So in this triangle, OA and OB, radii of same circle, and their length is 21 centimeter. So the triangle OAB is an isosceles triangle. Therefore base angles are equal. So angle A is equal to angle B, and as the central angle is 60, so base angles will be 60 degree each. So that means the triangle is an equilateral triangle. As each angle is 60 degree, the triangle is an equilateral triangle with length of each side is equal to 21 centimeter. So therefore area of triangle is equal to, what is the formula for area of an equilateral triangle? Root 3 upon 4 into side square. So root 3 upon 4 into side is 21 into 21. So 21 square is 441 root 3 upon 4. We cannot further simplify this, so keep it as it is. Now the area of that pink color segment is equal to area of sector, which we have calculated 231, minus the area of triangle is this. Now 231 is a whole number, minus 441 root 3 upon 4 is a surds, and we cannot subtract surds from whole number. So you keep this expression as it is. Need not simplify this, right? So the area of segment is equal to this bracket centimeter square. Now question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square shaped grass field of side 15 meters by means of a 5 meter long rope. Then find first the area of the part of the field in which the horse can graze. Second, the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meter long instead of 5 meter. And here the value of pi is given 3.14. So we will take 3.14. Right. Now let me explain the diagram. So this is green color square shape field. Now at this corner the horse is tied with the rope of length 5 meter. Right. So as it is a square, theta is 90 degree and length of the rope is nothing but the radius. So as the horse cannot go beyond this field, the amount of area that horse can graze is nothing but sector in shape, right? Sector of a circle. So we will find the sector of this circle. So for that, radius is 5 meter, length of the rope is radius, and theta is 90 degree. So therefore the area of the portion grazed is equal to, apply the formula. What is the formula for area of a sector? Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta is 90 degree because the field is square in shape, divided by 360 into value of pi is given 3.14 into radius is nothing but the length of the rope 5 square. Now simplify. This you can simplify. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled. 9 4s are 36. Convert this decimal into the fraction. So 314 divided by 100 into 5 square is 25. So 25 4s are 100. So you will get 314 upon 16, and on simplification the answer is 19.625 meter square. So this much area the horse can graze. Now in the second case, the length of the rope is increased and now it is 10 meters, right? So the area of the circular region horse can graze. Theta will remain the same. So now the new diagram will be this, right? So here the length of the rope is increased. Now this time the horse can graze more area. Again it is sector in shape, sector of a circle. So we will find out how much increase in the grazing area. So again you apply same formula. This time only the radius is changed. Before it was 5 meter. Now the rope is the length of the rope is increased. Now it has become 10 meters. So 90 divided by 360, value of pi is given 3.14 and 10 square. So when you will convert this 3.14 into ratio form, this will become 314 upon 100. So this 100 and 10 square 100 will get cancelled. This 0 0 cancel. 9 4s are, so you will get 314 divided by 4, and when you convert it into decimal form, so the answer is 78.5 meter square. Now we have to find the increase in the grazing area. So what we will do, from this new area, let us subtract the old area. So the new area is 78.5 minus the old area was 19.625, and the subtraction is 58.875. Understood? So this is all about today's lesson. So you keep practicing till next lesson. So till then, goodbye, take care.